Yaga yo, we're outside again. Like, share, comment, subscribe, my friends. So yeah, today I'm gonna speak about how has it been so far starting a small YouTube channel. Let's talk about it, man. So first thing I'll say, first and foremost, I have a day job. Well, when I say day job, I have my own little business separate from this. So for me, this is clearly for fun. Do you know what I mean? It's a bit of a escapism for me still. You get me? So my thing was, I thought, do you know what? I'm gonna try and experiment now. Yeah. So obviously, I've had the channel for probably, I don't know, maybe over a year and stuff, but I wasn't really doing nothing like that with it. I weren't taking anything serious. I was just playing about it. Do you know what I mean? So then I seen a YouTuber. Massive platform now. Do you know what I mean? But I remember, you know, he was saying the hack is to build a platform is to post every day, no days off. And that brother there, he's managed to, I don't know what he started out as when he started doing it. I don't know, maybe he was on about 20k, 30k, I don't know. Do you know what I mean? Or even less than that, I'm not quite sure. But he managed to get his platform to now over 100,000 subscribers. Do you know what I mean? And now that's big, so obviously that creates an income. And yeah, the work rate is crazy. Now the man is probably doing like fucking, I don't know, 6 uploads a day to get me. So I thought, you know what? Let me try something, yeah. But not in the world of, you know, passer, drama, mix up and chatting people business and them things there in the kind of urban circuit. But let me try and do something, because the biking sort of industry is quite big. Because not everybody that watches biking content actually own a bike or are actually interested in bikes. And some people just like to watch motovlogs, see people riding around and stuff in it. Do you know what I mean? There's channels out there that have bike related that have over 1 million subscribers. Do you get what I'm saying? So obviously there is a market for it in it. So let's try to tap in. So when I first started, yeah, so I decided to start posting 7 days a week, every day. Don't have no days off. I thought, let me try it. And I think when I started doing that, I was probably on about 120 subscribers, something like that. So this now, as I'm recording this, I think I'm on about 350 subscribers now. So my subscriber base has like over doubled. Do you know what I mean? In the space of just over a month, which was really, really good. I started to see that I've got some of you guys, big y'all up, you know what I mean? I upload between 7 in the morning and 8 in the morning, and they're there within 5 minutes. They're like, you know what I mean, early, on site, blah blah blah. And I rate that still. It's mad. It's quite interesting still that I watch a lot of YouTube, and when I look at my channel now, I'm seeing that even though the sub count is really low, I'm seeing that the channel looks present now. Do you get what I'm saying? I use AI to help me with the thumbnails, you know, to try and boost CTR. If you don't know what that is, Google it. I try and use AI for like the titles and stuff, for maximum SEO. If you don't know, get to know. And so far, it's moving. Now, I'm not necessarily doing this for an income and stuff. I'm just sort of just experimenting and seeing what can be done with it. If I come out on my bike every day, then why not just slap a camera up and just chat shit? Do you know what I mean? Now, so far, I haven't done anything mad crazy that, you know what I mean, people are like, oh my gosh, look at this, share it. Do you know what I'm saying? We have not gone to that part yet. And part of it as well is sort of me developing myself as well in this space. I mean, like I said, it's only small at the minute, but yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what works for me, how I come across. Do I come across like a complete idiot? Well, I don't really care about that, to be fair. I'm just doing what I'm doing, innit? So yeah, it's crazy. So how I do it personally, because I had a week off the other day when the kids weren't at school, and you would have never known because I'm still uploading every day. So here's what I'll do. Yeah, some people have probably clocked it, some people haven't, and so here's what I'll do. When I come out, I will do, say, like, I don't know, maybe up to 5 topics a day, up to 10 minutes, something like that, right about that, it just depends. And then obviously I'll cut them all up and create a video out of each one of them. Do you know what I'm saying? Upload them all separately. So when I was first doing it, I was doing a lot of cutting. So now what I've tried to do is do minimum cuts. Do you know what I mean? So try and do it in one take, so it makes it easier to get the footage out. Because at the moment, what I'm trying to do now is just build it, innit? Do you know what I'm saying? So then once I've built it now, then I can do something else with it. Do you know what I'm saying? Because there's other stuff that man want to do and that, innit? So when it comes to like bike meets, because in the summertime it's gonna be going off, brethren. So y'all need to be subscribing and stuff, man. Cause yeah, summertime, yeah, we're going outside, brethren, fully. And by the way, if anyone wants to join me, just let me know, man. You get me? Legal riders preferably, though. You get what I'm saying? Because yeah, it can be dangerous riding with folk and they're not looking properly and this and that, because they can put you in danger and that, innit? Do you know what I mean? But regardless, yeah, man, you can just hit me up on, I don't know, maybe TikTok, follow Brum Biker on TikTok, and you know what I mean, we can link up, man. Do you know what I mean? We're going everywhere, man. We'll be riding to London, Sheffield, Manchester, like we're just gonna be going outside. Like I got people in all different ends, innit? Do you know what I'm saying, in the UK, so I can just get postcodes and just turn up, you get me? Just land. So anyway, building up the small platform. So I think if you're someone that's trying to build a platform from scratch, yeah, make sure that you've got something that already brings you money and that, innit? So don't just jump on YouTube and say, oh, I'm going to start this thing and I want money. Because what's going to happen is you're going to be struggling to make the content, or even if you're not, it's going to take a while before people start to latch on and respect that you're in the space and you're doing your thing, you get me? And you will quit. Do you know what I mean? Even for me, like I said, even just doing this as an experiment, there was a point where I was like, do you know what, I'm actually knackered, man, like the editing and this and that. But I already had a load of stuff in my computer already, innit, to edit. Do you know what I mean? So it kept me going. And then when I see people popping up in the comments, especially like when I just upload and I'm like, yeah, I'm here. And for me, it's not about, at the moment, this moment in time, if the video's done mad numbers, it's the engagement. Do you get what I'm saying? Like when people are saying, oh, rare, I'm like, okay, cool. So I love to watch YouTube, and there's loads of channels that are in my FYPs. Do you know what I mean? So somewhere in this world, I'm in other folks' FYP and they're waiting for uploads. They just want to see what I'm doing. There's folk who, if I'm just doing an ASMR video and I'm not talking, they're not trying to hear that. They want talking. And sometimes I'm thinking, fuck, you know, what am I going to chat about today? But I'll find something, I'll just chat, and that's what they like. And I rate that. Big up, man. Big up to everyone that supports. And hopefully I'll have much more support as well. But yeah, it is not an easy thing to do, to be fair, with the YouTube thing. People think, oh, it's easy, just put a camera on. You got to think about other things, innit? Like equipment, what equipment you're using. Do you know what I'm saying? Like at the minute, I use the DJI Osmo Action 4, and it's cheap and cheerful, but it still costs something. Do you understand? £170 to someone else is £175. Do you know what I'm saying? It's still a lot of money to just say, oh, I'm gonna, you know, invest and do YouTube or whatever it is you're trying to do and that, innit? You gotta get a computer that can manage the workload. Do you know what I'm saying? You need storage, memory, batteries, patience. Do you get me? You need to fuel the bike. I need to fuel the bike when I'm coming out. You get me? I need to make sure the bike's tip top. You get me? And another thing I'd say, if you're gonna do it, no excuses. I've said this in a video before, no excuses, just do it. Do you get me? People who know me know that, you know what I mean, my life gets real hectic, quick as well. Do you know what I'm saying? And I'm still managing to do it, stay calm, and just get it done. Start recording. So yeah, for you guys that are starting a new YouTube or you're thinking about it, let me know what kind of channel you want to do. Do you get me? And if you have started a small YouTube, how's it going? If you started a small YouTube channel, how's it going? What's your challenges? What's your strengths? Do you know what I'm saying? Do you feel like quitting yet? Because if you do, don't. Just keep doing it. Just keep doing it. Do you know what I mean? I mean, at some point, I want to get to the point where I'll be uploading twice for y'all a day. One day, one night. One day, one night. Do you know what I'm saying? Because that's another thing that I need to do. Some nighttime footage. Do you know what I mean? But I'll tell you something, like I said, man. When it gets to certain times in the evening, I'm tired, man. I've got stuff to do. I've got work to do and stuff. Do you know what I mean? But, yeah. So as I said, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know how you're feeling. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and all of that beautiful stuff. And I'm out. Peace.